We'll guide you through how to make parallel transition in After Effects. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Adobe After Effects on your computer and wait for the program to load completely. After the workspace appears, create a new composition to begin your project. Set the composition settings you need, then confirm to open the timeline. Next, import your video clips from your computer into the project panel. After the clips have been imported, place the clips in the timeline in the order you want them to appear. Overlap the clips slightly so the transition area is created between them. Once the clips are arranged, select the first clip in the timeline by clicking it. Press P on the keyboard to open the position property. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position. This creates the first keyframe for the first clip. Move the playhead to the start of the overlap section, then move the first clip left or right, depending on the direction you want for the transition. Create another keyframe so the clip slides out during the overlap. After that, select the second clip in the timeline. Press P on the keyboard again to open the position property for the second clip. Enable keyframes by clicking the stopwatch next to position. Set the starting position of the second clip from the opposite side of the screen. If the first clip moves left, place the second clip on the right side, or use the opposite arrangement. Then move the playhead forward and set the second clip to its normal center position. Both clips will move simultaneously during playback, creating a parallel sliding transition. After creating the movement, add motion blur to both clips to make the sliding effect smoother and more natural. Enable motion blur for the layers and turn on motion blur in the timeline controls. Next, preview the transition by playing the timeline from the beginning of the overlap section. Watch carefully to make sure the first clip exits while the second clip enters at the same speed. Adjust the keyframes if needed to improve timing or movement distance. Once everything looks correct, add the composition to the render queue. Check the output settings if needed, then click Render to export the final video. Your parallel transition is complete.